All right, how's it? Back. Installing 2 more accessories onto the 250 Rally Friends loaner bike. First things first, beefier skid plate. Replacing out the kind of stock plastic one, didn't really trust it. So I've gone with the SRC. Little interesting side note about this. What I've noticed so far when it comes to the Rally Edition is the aftermarket accessories, your choices are a lot less. Case in point, there were only 3 options I could find when it came to skid plates that would fit the Rally. This SRC, the BRB out of Australia, or Flatlands Racing. Anyway, from a price point, all that kind of stuff, SRC was the best option for me. So I went with it. Package came in super fast, shipping was great, and the welds on it and everything seems super solid, so I'm happy with this. And then the other thing that I'm going to install today is the RotoPax 1-gallon fuel cell. I'm going to straddle it sideways across the tail because the only luggage system I'm going to use on this bike is a duffel bag. And I use that same kind of setup on my DR650 and I'm really been enjoying it. So anyway, let's throw on the skid plate, let's throw on the RotoPax. Okay, knocked out the easy one first, the RotoPax mount installed onto this tail rack, and like I said, I'm going to run the RotoPax sideways on the tail. Reason being, when I turn it on and lock it down, the only luggage system I'm going to run is a waterproof duffel running this way across the tail. So the actual RotoPax broadens that tail rack just a little bit, adding just a little bit more support to the bag. So that's done, knocked out. Let's get this skid plate installed. Okay, there we go. Skid plate is installed. Wasn't too difficult. Just had to release an engine bolt, and there's actually 2 existing mounts that come up there. They provide the spaces and the screws, so looks good. Super beefy. Now the one thing is, you do lose the lower portion of your fairing. So when I install the fairings back, I will be minus the lower section, but that gets replaced by this skid plate. Just another angle of it. I'll get under there now, show you guys what it looks like. But it's kind of nice. These extended wings out the side of it just give a little bit more extra protection to the cases. The only thing I had to do was loosen those engine mounts. Let me get underneath here. You can see those engine mounts over there, and then install that little bracket which holds it down along the cases. But anyway, not too difficult at all. This is what it looks like underneath. It's kind of cool. It's got the cutaway for the drain bolt, so oil changes, you don't have to remove the skid plate.